कोटन में नानक को नारायण जिह चीत among millions of Nanak there is scarcely anyone who keeps the Lord in his consciousness. Unit 10 Alkyl Halide and Aryl Halides Part 3 SN1 Mechanism by Amrik Singh PGT Chemistry. Substitution nucleophilic unimolecular SN1. In this reaction, tertiary alkyl halide is attacked by the hydroxide ion and we get tertiary alcohol and bromide ion is eliminated. This mechanism occurs in two steps. In first step, the polarized CBr bond undergo low cleavage to produce a carbocation and a bromide ion as shown. You are seeing that the step is reversible. Tertiary alkyl halide is changing into carbocation and Br negative. Step number 2, the carbocation thus formed is then attacked by the nucleophile to complete the substitution. Since the carbocation is planar, it can be attacked from backside or from the front side. Backside attack is shown here and front side attack is also shown here, and we get alcohol, and in this product we get the racemization, means there may be a 50-50, that is 50% from backside attack and 50% from the front side. Okay, the inversion of configuration and retention of configuration both take place with a similar quantity. The main point of this SN1 mechanism is the step 1 is the slowest and reversible. It involves the CBr bond breaking, for which the energy is obtained through solvation of halide ion with proton of protic solvent. Therefore, this kind of mechanism occurs in protic solvents. Point number 2, since the rate of reaction depends upon the slowest step, the rate of reaction depends only on the concentration of alkyl halide and not on the concentration of hydroxide ion. Therefore, first order kinetics. Third point is, further, greater the stability of carbocation, greater will be C's of formation from alkyl halide and faster will be the rate of reaction. In case of alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide undergo SN reaction very fast because of high stability of tertiary carbocations. It's very important. Point number 4, for a given alkyl group, the reactivity of the halide Rx follow the same order in both the mechanism. Ri will be the most reactive because I is larger in size, bond length will be more and bond dissociation energy will be very less, and Br and then Cl and then F. Stereochemistry. SN1 reaction proceeds with racemization. Okay, very important. Stereochemistry. And then allylic and benzylic halides show high reactivity toward SN1 reaction. The carbocation thus formed gets stabilized through resonance as shown below. If there is resonance of a carbocation, then it is obvious, very it will be stable. That is first of allylic ion and then the benzylic. In case of benzylic, also a resonance is shown here. Resonance will leads to the stability. And therefore we can sum up the order of reactivity of alkyl halide toward SN1 and SN2 as follows. For SN2, tertiary is the most, tertiary, secondary, primary, okay, and we are showing the increasing order for SN. Tertiary is the least, secondary is more, and primary is the most. And for the SN1 arrow is opposite. Primary is the least, secondary is more, and tertiary is the most reactive in this mechanism. Homework, these are the NCERT exercise. we'll have to tell the which one will go the SN1 reaction faster. Then first get the what kind of carbocation will form, primary, secondary or tertiary. The reactant involving the formation of tertiary carbocation will be most reactive toward this mechanism. And I am also providing you the answer. Please do these two questions at home. If any problem, then call me. Ekokar कशे पुश्त उफ्तद पसे शेर नर नागीर्द बूजो मेसो आहू गुजर. If a man sit behind the back of a lion, neither anyone can catch him, nor a goat or a sheep or a deer can even pass nearby. Guru Gobind Singh Ji is saying to Aurangzeb, "Hey Aurangzeb, I stand in the shadow of the Almighty, and your men, who are like goats and sheep and deer, could not harm me in spite of your deceptions." Thank you for listening lecture and showing your attention by Amrik Singh. Be at home, be safe. Thanks again.